goes Gordon. Come on, Gordon, your trumpet. Go on, give us a right turn.
Oh, he's not stuck on the beach tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Gordon Chan.
The guy's on the bonnet, look at him. Kids, send it. Who's second gear there? Second gear 4 on the focus.
Antics, man.
Nice one, ice cream.
I think that's the thumbnail, I'll be honest. They were fucking carnage. This is fucking mental.
I want to see those videos of that Corsa that had all the lights on. I thought that was his shoes. He weren't kidding when he just got
Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. Go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Usually I'm saying either way, but I'm slide. Can't let this one slide. I'ma show you how to get it. Go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Piece of the face, we gotta slide. Can't let this one slide. Right foot up, left foot
Biking views on YouTube.
So whilst she's been going for about 5 minutes now. Oh, Dan, you've got to say hello. Always say hello.
I will. Hello.
Yo, I'm proud of her.
I wanted to get pulled.
I'm surprised as fuck by her.
I'm actually
Can
proud
you hear
of
her
her.
laughing?
Go on, fair play to her.
I'm gobsmacked. Never underestimate the girl, innit?
Go on, Sue.
She's never whacked it around.
Loving fucking life.
Wow!
Yes, so.
I know you do.
Fucking hell!
Go on, Sue.
Wow!
Fair play
I'm
to her.
fucking gobsmacked.
Good girl. Fucking tidy.
Remarkable scenes.
So,
Had a great night.
Yay! Go on, Sue. I bet she's buzzing. Fair play.
Stop standing on my shelf.
I know what everyone's thinking, and you're right. It's Natalie fucking Plowright, the Barry bastard herself. Oh, hello. What's happening?
There it is.
Hey, look at that shit. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your service.
Yo, big up Soph though, innit? Even I'm fucking proud of her.
Proud. She's loving it.
She's living her best life here, isn't she?
I didn't think it was her.
Get in there with her. My turn, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn.
Douche.
I take my hat off. I never thought I'd see today. No, I'm being serious. I never thought I'd see today.
Make sure myself.
Yo, big up Soph, innit? I'm proud of her. That's
That's
fucking
amazing,
awesome.
man.
That's awesome.
So fucking. Oh, she's amazing, man. She is fucking amazing.
Someone's coming in.
Shadows and thing.
I know, innit? Fucking hell. It's like an alien abduction in here, innit?
I'm in it now.
Yeah, there you go. You're in.
There you go. So
He's
first of
in.
all, thank you for these two amazing guys that have come along, enjoyed the experience,
No worries,
and
man.
thank you to everyone that came. I can't thank them all enough.
Damn straight.
If I could try and
myself.
thank them all, I'd be here all year, I think.
Oh, yeah,
Trying to get around to every
definitely.
And
single
it's only
person.
getting bigger and bigger and bigger. True story.
Awesome, sick
Exactly.
night.
Well, if you're coming over from Wales for it, then it shows something, doesn't it?
Oh
Damn
yeah.
straight.
Oh yeah, we're crossing international waters and shit. Anyway, awesome
different.
scenes.
Let's get you on our video as well soon at some point.
Yeah, man,
No
definitely.
problem at all.
Okay.
Anyway, thank you kindly for watching. If you haven't already, give us a thumbs up. What else should I do?
Yo, so what you're gonna do, you wanna share that video, you're gonna have to hit like on that video, drop a comment, and tell you what, it will cost you nothing, and make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, get it done, hit the little bell icon so you never miss a video of us or him. We'll get it done in here, right? Right, we're all done on this. Boosh! You're in this as well, come on, don't leave us hanging.
Lovely.